Alright, as promised, a three-part problem with three vectors. Oh my goodness! Now find the resolution magnitude of the two. Well, alright, starts off immediately with a lack of modification by Mr. Shaw. You really need to make that a 3, but once again, we're not all perfect. Of A, B, and C. Alright, so we've got three vectors here ready for some serious calculation fun. So remember guys, when we draw a vector, we can draw it, or we can define it two ways: by its length of the vector and its angle, or by the point at the very end. Now the reason it's nice to define it by the point at the very end is because when we want to add these vectors, we can simply just add up all the x coordinates and all the y coordinates and it'll find our resultant. It's so fantastic, such a lovely mathematical trick to use. So let's do it. I'm going to find a x and a y first, so that's going to equal 20 newtons cosine 32 degrees equals 20 newtons sine 32 degrees, and then bx is 25 newtons cosine 354 degrees, and by equals 25 newtons sine 354 degrees. Oh, we're almost done. Don't worry, guys. And sometimes it's actually convenient to separate your x's and your y's so that you don't get them confused. And then we're going to have cy, or cx. Sorry, I want to do cx first. And then cy. And let's go back up. Well, I know it's going to go here first. This is going to be 25 newtons. I remember equals 25 newtons. Stop. 25 newtons. And this is cos. And this is sine. And it's negative 125. Whoa, so weird, so strange. It's like the Twilight Zone. Negative 125 degrees. Negative 125 degrees. But luckily, because of how we define our angles in this class, guys, this will be very easy to do. So 20 cos 32. This should be familiar. I'm going to do some somewhat reduction, guys. It is getting late. It's past Mr. Shaw's bedtime. This is 16.961 newtons. And I'm going to go down here and do my next x. 25 cos 354. And that's going to be equal to 24.863. And then I'm going to do this one. 25 cos negative 125. Enter. And it's going to be negative 14.339 newtons. And I forgot my newtons up here. Now, the nice thing to do, guys, I did all my x's first. I'm just going to add them up now, so I don't even have to worry about them. So I'm going to go negative 14.339 plus 24.863 plus 16.961. Double checking out my calculator. Everything looks good. Adding up all of my x's, the sum of all of my x's, ax plus bx plus cx, sorry about that, equals 27.485 newtons. Okay, great. One done. Let's pick a nice blue color. Let's do this. 20 sine 32 equals 10.598. Okay, then 25 sine 354. Enter. Negative 2.613 newtons. Okay, done with that. I'll put my newtons up here. And then I'm going to go 25 sine negative 125. And then I get negative 20.479 newtons. I'm going to add those up now. Negative 20.479 minus 2.613 plus 10.598, and that's going to go, that is AY plus BY plus CY equals negative 12.494 newtons. Okay, now this is my x coordinate, this is my y coordinate. If I really wanted to write this, I could possibly say my resultant or my F net, because remember guys, the sum of two or more forces is your F net, equals parenthesis 27.485 newtons, comma, negative 12.494 newtons. Alright, excellent. Are we done? I didn't think so. Because remember guys, these are going to add up to some point. So here's our origin, up here is some point. But we know the y value, and we know the x value, but we need to know the magnitude, the length. The question originally asked, find the resolution magnitude. So I need to find this length from here to here, that length right there. So how I can do that? Well, this is a triangle, guys. This is a right triangle, as a matter of fact. That's what's so beautiful about the xy axis. So I'm just going to do x, my x value squared plus my y value squared equals my resultant length squared. So 27.485 newtons quantity squared plus negative 12.494 newtons quantity squared equals r squared. Okay, let's do it. Square that plus 27.485 squared, and it looks like I'm getting 900 something, second squared, second answer. I got 30 equals, when I get it all done, my r equals 30.191 newtons. And that's the length of it. Excellent, guys. Hope you found this informative.